Hello dear student, once again welcome in this class. Today we are going to discuss about the next important reaction named double displacement reactions. Here double stands for two. Displacement, like before we have studied about the displacement reaction, and so double means two. Now the definition of double displacement reaction is very simple. See here, reaction in which two compounds in their aqueous solution, that means compound should be dissolved in aqueous medium, okay, their aqueous solution react to form two new products by interchanging, focus on the word, by interchanging their radicals or ions, is called double displacement reaction. Also this is known as double decomposition reaction. Now dear student, we have double displacement reactions or double decomposition reactions. When we said it is two types, one is precipitation reactions, second one is neutralization reactions. First of all, what is precipitation reaction? Some double decomposition reactions or some double displacement reactions takes place by the formation of precipitate, that means some compound when react and displace or interchange their radicals to form at least one precipitate compound. Okay, how? Let us see. Suppose we have A, B and C, D. A, B and C, D. When A, B and C, D react to form AC and B, D. Suppose when you can see here the C and B is interchanging from here, yeah, A, D interchanging from here, okay, and to form AC and B, D. This type reaction is known displacement reactions, also decomposition reactions, because after decomposition take place between AB and CD, it will interchange its radical and to form this type, okay, compound. Now here precipitate may be AC or BD, okay dear student, where either AC or BD make precipitate, okay, but here no idea. But in the case of reaction, we can see here how next is. Suppose when barium chloride BaCl2 treated with lead sulfate ZnSO4, you know this is the positive part, this is the negative part, this is positive part, this is negative part, okay dear student. Here two charts should be here, but I am not taking here, only I want to pay your attention on the charts. But how? When barium having two positive charges, one charge, chloride having zinc plus two charge, sulfate plus minus two charge, okay dear student. So after it will change its ion, here positive, it will react with sulfate to form barium sulfate, BaSO4, barium sulfate. And then this and this, after zinc will combine with this ion, positive negative, again it will form ZnCl2, okay dear student. Now here barium sulfate is a precipitate, so one arrow put side the barium sulfate in the downward displacement, okay dear student. This arrow represents that barium sulfate is PPT. This is barium sulfate, okay. Now another example, when silver nitrate AgNO3 react with sodium chloride NaCl, it forms NaNO3, sodium nitrate, the negative part, positive part, sodium nitrate, the positive part, negative part, it form silver chloride AgCl, white precipitate it form, and This is the precipitation form, PPT form. Okay, so you can see here the how after decomposition two or more two compounds it form to another type of compound, but one should be at least one should be in precipitate form. This reaction is known as precipitation reaction. Okay, dear student, so some double decomposition reaction will take place, it form precipitate is known as precipitation reaction. Okay, dear student, I think there should not be any confusing. Okay, now another one is neutralization reaction. See here, neutralization reaction. What is neutralization reaction? When acid and base react to each other, react with each other, it forms salt and water is called neutralization reaction. The reaction, now we are going to write about the neutralization reaction. When acid and base, the reaction in which acid and base react with each other to form salt and water is called neutralization reaction. Okay, dear student, let us see the example. First of all, skeleton, acid, base. Whenever it will react, form salt and water. Okay, this reaction is known neutralization reaction. Take a reaction, very simple. HCl, hydrochloric acid, when react with sodium hydroxide, NaOH. This is sodium hydroxide. When HCl, hydrochloric acid, react with sodium hydroxide, it forms sodium chloride, NaCl, and H2O. This is salt. Sodium chloride is a salt, you know, common salt we use in our home very well, you know. Next one is H2SO4. H2SO4 when react with potassium hydroxide, it forms potassium sulfate, K2SO4 plus H2O. Okay, to balance the potassium in this side, there are two potassium atoms. So to balance the potassium atom in this side, multiply potassium hydroxide with 2. Here is 2 oxygen, 2 hydrogen and 2 hydrogen, 4 hydrogen. Here 2 hydrogen, so multiply with 2. This reaction is balance reaction. This is potassium sulfate. Okay, dear student. Next one is when nitric acid HNO3 react with calcium oxide. Calcium oxide also a base. Okay, when it react with form calcium nitrate formula CaNO3 whole twice and H2O. To balance the nitrogen atom, multiply HNO3 in left hand side by 2, and here you can see 2 3 are 6 oxygen, 1 oxygen here, 2 hydrogen. This reaction is balance reaction. Okay, dear student, let us see the another example like NaOH H2SO4, it forms Na2SO4 plus H2O. Okay, dear student, to balance this reaction multiplied with 2, also it will 2. Okay, dear student, next these are the neutralization reactions, because here one acid and one base react to form salt always and water, always salt and water. Okay, so we have finished the double displacement reactions, or you can say double decomposition reactions also. And double displacement reactions are of two types. One is precipitation reaction and second one is neutralization reaction. In precipitation reactions, the reactions takes place by the formation of precipitate, while the neutralization reactions, the reactions take place formation only salt and water after reacting acid and base. Okay dear student, so in next video we will discuss the another remaining topics of reactions, like I hope exothermic reactions and endothermic reactions. Okay, thank you, all the best.